Hello students, today again I am here with a new topic, and today's topic is that thing which is very essential for us and we can't live without that thing. We can't survive. Every person, every means human being and means all the living things that need that thing. So what is that? You will think about that. Which topic is today? So see first, what is it? It is a bottle. So what we put in this bottle, how we use this bottle, that we use this bottle to put the water. So what is the topic today? That is water. As you know, the water is very important for us, very important for living things. So first of means early morning to evening, daily basis, we are doing the different activities, and that activities with the help of water. Means morning to evening we use the water. So which activities we have to do with that? That is, first of all, morning time we use water to bath, we use the water to drink, we use the water to cook the food, clean the house, to wash our clothes. So means daily basis, daily activities that we will do with the water. So without water, life is no life, means there is no life on the earth. So here we will talk really water, how much water is on the earth, how much water is on the surface of the earth. First see this diagram, that total land जो है बेटा, that is the our earth is divided into the two parts, that is land as well as the water. So land जो part है, that is only 29% and 71% is the water, means on the surface of the earth. Now our topic is about the water. So come on this diagram, means in this 71% water जो है on the earth, means here that total 97% जो है, that water is the ocean water. That water is the salt water that we can't use for our daily activity, we can't use to drink. We need the fresh water to survive, we need the fresh water to use. So that is only 3% of water. Means जो fresh water है, that is only 3%. हम लोग means we people are using fresh water. It means whole peoples, all the means that the whole countries they are using water, that is only 3% water which we are, and daily basis we are using that. So that sources means जो fresh water है, from where we get that water, which sources are there which we are getting the water, that is like tube wells are there, rivers are there, rainwater is there, groundwater is there, and this is known as the fresh water we use in our daily activity. Next जो है बेटा, the point is how water is supplied to your home. कि water है जो वो हमारे घरों में कैसे हम तक पहुंचता है. There is a one procedure is there कि जो वाटर है, वाटर को कलेक्ट किया जाता है वन एरिया में, दैट आफ्टर दैट उस वाटर को मीन्स रिफ्रेश किया जाता है, फिल्टर किया जाता है. आफ्टर फिल्ट्रेशन दैट वाटर विल बी go through the pipes के through that water we are getting for the use. So and but some people are having the submersible system in their own, they are personally at home, and some are using the submersible water, that means municipal government that provide the water to us door to door, means home to home with by that process. Next beta irrigation work, means that we depend on we need the food, so we are getting food, that who will provide us food, that is the mainly farmer, because farmers doing the farming work in their field and we are getting the food with the help of farmer. So farmer growing the crops, and for that crops and that plants also need the water, and how they will get the water, how they will use, which water they will use for irrigation, that is mainly depend largely on the monsoon rain. ये जो farmer है, farmer is also use the monsoon rain water for irrigating their field. So now question is this कि that जो rain water है that is not be possible, that is not be throughout the year there is no rain, and in some areas getting the more rainfall and some areas getting the secondary rainfall. And for example, a lot of rainfall and secondary rain means some areas like northern plain, that Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, these states are getting means heavy rainfall, a lot of rainfall. If we will talk about the that Rajasthan or that Gujarat area, in that area there is a no rainfalls can be means बहुत little rainfall is getting receiving in that area. So now question again this is कि how the people are depend, how the people are using this means rain water. So here because जो means rain only few months are there we are getting the rain, that can be means a lot of rain, and that rain time fall time that most of areas getting the flood, means flood जो है that is the common in that time, and जो rivers are that are full of with the water, and that water is going to the means directly going to the in that sea water, sea water मिक्स हो जाता है, एंड टू सो इस फ्लड को मीन्स रोकने के लिए लगा लो या फिर पानी को की वेस्ट ना हो, तो उसके लिए दैट गवर्नमेंट हैज यूजिंग दैट सो मेनी डैम्स आर देयर, कैनल्स आर देयर कि टू कलेक्ट दैट रेन वाटर, so that water we will use when we need, when there is no rainfall the people are using that water in our area. And in this part we will learn about the rivers, means that farmers are also using the river water for irrigation when there is no rain, when there is no rainfall. And so now question is this, all the areas mean all over the country that rivers are not possible, means there are in all areas there is no river, or where there is no river that people are using, how they will use that water. So there is one model that is canals. Canal is that is built to divert the river water to the agriculture, to the other areas, means where there is no river, जहाँ पर river waters नहीं है तो main river water को in the fields में पहुँचाने के लिए, in that area में उस water को पहुँचाने के लिए there is use the canals. So that for example Bhakra Nangal Dam is there, from there is one canal is there, that is the Indira Gandhi Canal, and that is to be built across that dam and that Satluj river, and it's reached to the Rajasthan, because in Rajasthan area there is rainfall also less and there is no river water. So to provide the water in that area, that government has given that one, that is a canal. The canal को build किया जाता है, and the means 29% of the land means that use irrigation with the help of canals water. Next आता है to dig the well, hand pumps and tube well system, means ground, where there is a groundwater is a sufficient, where there is a groundwater is a sufficient, for that water that that people have dig the well, means groundwater को use करने के लिए they will dig the well, hand pump and tube wells, and 60% of persons and 60% of land is irrigating on their fields and with the help of this groundwater system. And next are the tank, where there is no, it's not a possible to dig the well, जहाँ पर well को tube wells को लगाना it's very difficult, that area they will use the tanks. Tank में बेटा that rain water होता है, या means उस water को collect किया जाता है, reserve किया जाता है, and they will use that water, and for 5% of land is to be used tank system to irrigation to irrigate the land. Next topic I will dam. What is dam? Dams are huge walls across rivers to hold back water. उसको डैम्स के थ्रू रिवर के वाटर को कलेक्ट किया जाता है. व्हेन वी नीड दैट वाटर तो वी कैन यूज दैट वाटर टू टेक दैट एंड फॉर उस रिवर को मीन्स उस वाटर को डैम्स की वाटर हेयर डैम्स आर यूज फॉर द इरिगेशन एज वेल एज टू दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी to help us to produce the electricity. Dam have the sluice gate that can open and close to control the flow. Sluice होता है बेटा waterway, पानी को निकालने का रास्ता. So that water is used for irrigation and with the help of that gates. When there is a short of water means पानी की जब कमी होती है then they will जो रिजर्व किया हुआ वाटर होता है then we will use that water and when the water is released from the sluice gate means जो sluice gate जो है means ऊंचाई means height से जो पानी को नीचे फ्लो किया जाता है height means then that produce the electricity. So with the help of that means by the help of that this dam we produce the electricity also. This is known as the hydroelectricity. And moreover the store water is help us to control the flood as well as to produce the electricity. So this is the main purpose to use the dam. And जो river है बेटा that rivers are two types of rivers are there, that is a perennial river and seasonal river. ठीक है, तो जो seasonal जो अपनी perennial rivers हैं that is the water is flowing throughout the year, so that is that dams are be built in that area. And जो seasonal river है there is only monsoon time that water is there. So in that area means water is monsoon time and that build the dam on that rivers. And monsoon time they will collect the water from there and moreover they will help to be in that to control the flood also. And when there is no rain so the people have to use that water that is known as the dams. Yes dear, this is the chart of the dams and where these dams are means on which river they are built and which state is there and what is the main feature means special thing for that dam. So these are the some important dams. First is the Bhakra Nangal Dam, Bhakra Nangal project. That is on which river? That is on Satluj river. And Satluj river is its location means where is Satluj river? That is in Himachal Pradesh. HP means Himachal Pradesh. And special it is there that this is the second highest dam in India. It is the second highest dam in India. Which dam? I repeat now. Bhakra Nangal built on Satluj river in Himachal Pradesh. And it is the second highest dam in India. Second is the Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is on the river Mahanadi. And where is it Mahanadi river? It is in the Odisha side, Odisha state, and it is the longest dam in the country. Next is the Tungabhadra. Tungabhadra, its name is also on the name of the river. River is on Tungabhadra, means Tungabhadra dam is built on Tungabhadra river and it is located in the Karnataka state. Where it is located? That is in Karnataka and it is the largest dam in Karnataka. Means Karnataka जो state है उसमें सबसे जो largest dam है that is the Tungabhadra. Next is the Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar. That is built on Krishna river. That is built in Krishna river and it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state and it is the earliest hydroelectrical and irrigation project. Means पुराने समय में सबसे पहले मीन्स बहुत पुराने समय में इस रिवर्स इस डैम को यूज़ किया जाता था फॉर द हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए एज वेल एज द इरिगेशन के लिए। नेक्स्ट इदुक्की। इदुक्की जो प्रोजेक्ट है दैट डैम इज ऑन प्रयार रिवर। प्रयार रिवर कहाँ पर है? दैट इज इन केरला एंड इट इज द लार्जेस्ट आर्च डैम ऑन बिल्ट ऑन प्रयार रिवर। And one is the Mithar. Mithar is on Kaveri River, and Kaveri River is located in Tamil Nadu, and it is the oldest dam. Means सबसे पुराना dam. Oldest dam is that is the Mithar Dam. So these are the name of the dams and their state's name, and on which river these dams are built, and what is the special detail about that dam. And moreover, India is third most active country in the world in the dam. Means dam build करने के लिए जो हमारी country है हमारा India, that is on the third all over the world. Means it is on the third point, and it is the next only to the United States of America and China. Means America and China जो है that these countries on first, and after that our country is India to build the dam. These are the main important regarding the water. Means how we will use this water and which sources we will use to these water, from where we are getting this water, and what is the purpose, how we will use this water with the help of canals, with the help of dam, tube well system, and that moreover that tank system. To this is a mainly system to be use the water for the irrigation by the farmer in our country. Thank you. Have a nice day.